Dear students, in this class we are going to see some problems based on the divergence. You know very well, divergence means spreading from a point. And divergence is the concept used to convert our integral form of the Gauss law into point form of the Gauss law. And this point form of the Gauss law is also called as Maxwell's first equation. So, we are going to see the problems now so that you can understand the divergence concepts very well. So, let us come to this first problem. This is, find the numerical value of divergence at the point P of 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 if the flux density d bar is equal to 20xy square into z plus 1 into ax plus 20x square y into z plus 1 into ay plus 10x square y square az coulombs per meter square. That means he has given d bar and is asking numerical value of divergence. What do you mean by divergence? Divergence means del dot d bar, that is called divergence. And first of all, friends, try to observe in which coordinate system the problem is given. And no doubt to say that you are having xyz here. The point is represented in xyz. That's why it is nothing but a Cartesian coordinate system. So in the Cartesian coordinate system, what is del dot d bar and which is nothing but divergence. This is div d is equal to dou dx by dou x plus dou dy by dou y plus dou dz by dou z. This is the formula you have to use. What is dx? Dx means x component and dy means y component. Dz means z component. Therefore, he is asking numerical value of divergence means you can say del dot d bar is equal to, that means z divergence is equal to dou dx by dou x means dou by dou x of dx component. What is dx? 20x y square into z plus 1. This is plus dou dy by dou y. Dou dy by dou y means dou by dou y of 20x square y into z plus 1. Okay. Next, dou dz by dou z, dou by dou z of 10x square y square. Okay, this is the step you have to do this. That means you substitute dx component, dy component, dz component like this. So with respect to x, the remaining things are constant, then derivative of x is 1. Therefore, 20 y square into z plus 1 plus with respect to y will be 1, therefore 20 x square into z plus 1 and plus derivative with respect to z, there is no z term at all, that's why derivative of constant is 0 here, like this. Now you got this, and in the place of x, y, z, the given point is 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Then what you have to do? 20 into y square. Y square means 0.4 whole square means 1.6. 0.4 means 1.6 into z plus 1. What is z plus 1? Z is 0.5. So 1.5 plus 20 into, what is x square here? X square is 0.3 into 0.3, 0.09 into 1.5. Just if you substitute, that will be equal to, you can say 7.5 coulombs per meter cube. The unit of divergence is 7.5 coulombs per meter cube. This is the way of doing the problem. Very simple. ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చిన వెంటనే ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమో చూడండి, అడిగిన విషయం ఏంటో చూడండి. అడిగింది న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ డైవర్జెన్స్ అంటే డైవర్జెన్స్ కట్టండి, అందులో ఈ న్యూమరికల్స్ కూడా ఉంచండి. దెన్ ఎట్ ద పర్టికులర్ పాయింట్ డెల్ డాట్ డి బార్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7.5 కూలమ్స్ పర్ మీటర్ క్యూబ్. దీన్ని సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూమ్ చార్జ్ డెన్సిటీ, బికాజ్ యు నో డెల్ డాట్ డి బార్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ యువర్ rho v. This is nothing but del dot d bar is equal to also equal to rho v. So if he is asking like this is also equal to rho v. Rho v, what is the value of rho v? 7.5 coulombs per meter cube. The unit of rho v is coulombs per meter cube. And this way you have to do this problem. Okay, so this problem is given in which coordinate system? Cartesian. So in EMF, always do the problems in all coordinate systems. It may be Cartesian, cylindrical or spherical. So coming to the next problem, second problem. Coming to the second problem, right? Here he has given the problem like this. Find the volume charge density rho v at a point P of 1 pi by 2 and 2 if d bar is equal to 4 rho z sin phi arrow and 2 rho z cos phi into a phi plus 2 rho square sin phi into az coulomb per meter square. So very simple friends, just by seeing this problem you can say the problem is given in which coordinate system? Cylindrical coordinate system, because the point is specified in rho phi z. And now you write down this del dot d bar because he is asking the volume charge density. Your del dot d bar is nothing but rho v. This is nothing but your rho v only. Del dot d bar is equal to rho v. Then I would like to write this expression for this. Del dot d bar is equal to. So what is the del dot d bar in your cylindrical coordinate system? 1 by rho, dou by dou rho of rho d rho, okay, plus 1 by rho, dou phi by d phi, plus dou dz by dou z. This is rho, phi and z. Now here just to do this, del dot d bar is equal to 1 by rho, okay, 1 by rho. Dou by dou rho of rho d rho. Rho d rho means dou by dou rho of rho into d rho. What is d rho? This is the component rho. So 4 rho z sin phi, okay, plus 1 by rho dou by dou phi of d phi. What is d phi? 2 rho z cos phi, plus dou by dou z of dz. dz means 2 rho square sin phi. Just if you know the differentiation, happily you can do this. Now you can say del dot d bar is equal to this one. So this is equal to 1 by rho. Dou by dou rho means it is rho square. Rho into rho, rho square. 4z sin phi is constant. Rho square యొక్క derivative ఎంత? 2 rho. So 2 rho. Okay. And 4 rho z sin phi. 4 z sin phi. Plus 1 by rho. And here you see, with respect to phi you have to do this. That means 2 rho z is constant. 2 rho and z constant. Derivative of cos phi with respect to phi means minus sin phi. This is minus sin phi. Plus derivative with respect to z. There is no z term at all. So the derivative of constant is equal to 0. That is. So and rho will be cancelled. And here also rho and rho will be cancelled here. This is. And you have to substitute the point here 1 pi by 2 and 2. Right. So 2 into 4 is 8 and z is 2. That means 16. 16. Sin phi. Phi means pi by 2. That means sin phi by sin 90 is 1. So it is 16 plus. What is this one? 2z. 2 into z means 4. That means 4. So minus 4. Phi means pi by 2. So that is minus 4. And this is equal to 16 minus 4 means 12 coulombs per meter cube. So what is the volume charge density rho v? 12 coulombs per meter cube. So this is a way of doing this problem. Very simple. I will tell you the 2 steps. Identify the problem, in which coordinate system it is given. Second one is identify the data given to you. And the third one is what exactly is asking in the problem. So for that one, if you know the just formulae, then definitely you are going to do this. So many times he is going to ask you the problems like this in all coordinate systems. Okay. Now, let us see the problem in spherical coordinate system also. Okay. Coming to this problem, find the divergence at the point P of r theta phi, means r is equal to 2, theta is equal to pi by 3 and phi is equal to pi by 6. That means it is spherical coordinate system. If the flux density d bar is equal to sin theta cos phi into ar plus cos theta cos phi into a theta minus sin phi into a phi coulomb per meter square. So, it is clearly given that the problem is in spherical coordinate system. So, in the spherical coordinate system, what is your divergence? Del dot d bar, and del dot d bar is nothing but divergence, which is nothing but the charge density, that is equal to 1 by r square dou by dou r of r square dr plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou theta of sin theta d theta plus 1 by r sin theta into dou d phi by dou phi. This is the formula you have to use. Okay, this is the formula you have to use. So now one by one try to understand this. So del dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square into dou by dou r of r square into, what is the dr in this problem? Dr means first one sin theta cos phi. So sin theta cos phi plus 1 by r sin theta into dou by dou theta of sin theta into d theta. So what is the d theta here? D theta means cos theta cos phi plus 1 by r sin theta of dou by dou phi of d phi. What is d phi? Sin phi. That is sin phi. Simple. If you know the simple differentiation, happily you can understand this. So this is equal to 1 by r square, and with respect to r only we are going to do this. That means with respect to r means it is 2r. Sin theta cos phi is constant. Okay, plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou theta of sin theta cos theta. Friends, this can be written as sin 2 theta by 2. Sin 2 theta by 2. Okay. So dou by dou theta of sin 2 theta means cos 2 theta into 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. That's why I can write down this is equal to dou by dou theta means it is cos 2 theta into cos phi. Okay. Plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou phi of sin phi means cos phi. Simple. It is over. This is. Now 1 by r square into r means you can say cancel this is 2 sin theta cos phi divided by r plus 1 by r sin theta, that means you can say cos 2 theta and cos phi, cos 2 theta into cos phi by r sin theta plus cos phi divided by r sin theta, cos phi divided by r sin theta. It is a simple way of differentiation. Okay. So cos theta by r cos phi. So derivative of, here it is minus sign, right? It is here, it is minus sign. That way you have to put minus here, and you can say this is also minus and this is also minus. So you can say cos phi by r sin theta. This is a way of differentiating. Now once it is differentiated, then just substitute the point r is equal to 2, theta is equal to pi by 3, phi is equal to pi by 6, and do your calculations with your calculator, and it will be given as 0.75, this is 0.75, the first one, minus Okay, 0.1443, this is the second one, and minus 0.5. So this is equal to, so the first one is 0.75 and the second one is minus 0.1443 and this is minus 0.5. So finally it will be equal to 0.1057 coulombs per meter cube. So this is called the divergence, that is nothing but the rho v. So very simple if you know the formulas. So I am telling you since the beginning, identify the problem in which coordinate system it is given and just to understand what exactly is asking from the problem and write down the relevant formula. Just do the small differentiations like this, you are going to get it. Okay, I hope you understand this. So let us take one more problem. Let us continue of doing the problems on this divergence. So if you come to this problem, find rho v, that means volume charge density, if d bar is equal to xy square ax plus yx square ay plus z coulomb per meter square. So it is clearly indicating the problem is in which coordinate system? Cartesian coordinate system. So in the Cartesian coordinate system, divergence rho v is equal to dou dx by dou x plus dou dy by dou y plus dou dz by dou z. Very simple. If you know how to do partial differentiation, the problem is over. So I can write like this: rho v is equal to, because volume charge density is equal to dou by dou x of dx, that means x component. What is the dx component here? Xy square, plus dou by dou y of y component. What is y component here? Yx square, and dou by dou z of dz, that means nothing but z, like this. Derivative of this with respect to x means y square, because the derivative of x with x is nothing but 1, is equal to y square, plus dou by dou y of yx square with respect to y 1, that's why it is x square, plus derivative of z with respect to z means 1. That means rho v is equal to y square plus x square plus 1. What is the unit? You have to write down the unit: coulomb per meter cube. So in this problem he has not given any point. For example, if the point is given, suppose for example at p of 1, 2, 3, if he has given, just substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. That means you can say y is equal to 2 means 4, x is equal to 1 means 1, and there is no z at all, plus 1. That means you can say 5 plus 6 coulombs per meter cube. This is the volume charge density rho v. So in this way you have to do this problem, and only technique is here. Please remember the formulas. So in this way you can do it very well. So coming for this next problem, just by seeing the problem you can get some information. That is the reason I am suggesting all of you, please go through the problem at least 2 to 3 times. చదవండి ప్రాబ్లం, ఏమి ఇచ్చాడో చూడండి, ఏం అడుగుతున్నారో మీకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఆ అడుగుతున్న దానికి అతను ఇస్తున్న దానికి మధ్య రిలేషన్ ఫార్ములాస్ని రాసుకోండి. సపోజ్ ఫైండ్ రో v if d bar is equal to rho z square sin square phi a rho plus rho z square sin phi cos phi a phi plus rho square z sin square phi a z coulomb per meter square. Okay, now you can say that del dot d bar is equal to rho v as usual. Therefore rho v is equal to volume charge density is equal to 1 by rho of dou by dou rho of what? Rho into d rho. D rho means rho z square sin square phi. Rho z square sin square phi. Okay, plus 1 by rho into dou by dou phi of, what is d phi? D phi means next components, rho z square sin phi cos phi, sin phi cos phi, plus dou by dou z of rho square z sin square phi, like. Now 1 by rho, dou by dou of rho into rho square. Rho square means the derivative with respect to rho is 2 rho. So you can say this is equal to 1 by rho into derivative of this one is 2 rho, and z square sin square phi is constant. Okay, plus, and what is this? 1 by rho dou by dou phi of this one. 1 by rho dou by dou phi means rho z square is constant. That means you can say 1 by rho into rho z square is constant. Okay. Sin phi cos phi means cos 2 phi. So if you derive it, it is cos 2 phi. Plus with respect to z what? Rho square into sin square phi. This is. Because here sin phi cos phi means sin 2 phi by 2. Derivative of sin 2 phi is cos 2 phi. So cos 2 phi into 2. 2 cancel aithe cos 2 phi vastundi ikkada. So rho and rho will be cancelled. And here also rho and rho will be cancelled. Therefore you can say this is 2z square sin square phi plus and z square cos 2 phi plus rho square sin square phi. This is your rho v. What is this? Unit of this one is Coulomb per meter cube. Because the problem is in cylindrical coordinate system, that's why he used this formula. I hope you understood this formula. You understood this problem also. So coming for the last one. Okay. Find rho v. Find rho v if d bar is equal to AR Coulomb per meter square only. That means he has given only one component. So d bar flux density he has given for only AR. A theta, A phi components are not given here. That's why it is very simple. So whenever you are going for this formula, just use AR, and this A theta, D theta and D phi components are absent. That's why I can say rho v is equal to del dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square dou by dou r of r square. This is because what it is, only d bar is nothing but dr component is only 1 into this thing. So r square into 1 this is. So therefore this is equal to 1 by r square into dou by dou r of r square is 2r, and r will be cancelled. Therefore this is 2 by r Coulomb per meter cube. So this is nothing but the rho v. So what is the answer? Rho v is equal to 2 by r Coulomb per meter cube. So now with this I think you got the concept of divergence. So in this class we have done the problems on divergence. Only technique is just remember the formulas, identify the coordinate system of this given problem, then just apply these formulas, you are going to get it.